Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my closet. So I told y'all I would update you if I had any changes in my whole collection project 10 pan, if I had anything to show you. So yeah, I do actually. I know it's only been a week and a half, but I actually do have something to show y'all. I pulled this Tarte lip sculptor lip gloss and lipstick in Sangria. And, you know, it's a lipstick on one end, it's got the lip gloss on the other. So here's the thing. I always really didn't care for the lipstick because it bleeds on me really bad. So I was like, well, I'll just try it with a lip liner. It was a little bit better. It's not my favorite. I like the color, but I don't love this lipstick. And the gloss, I've been using both this time. And I think it might have changed a little bit because the gloss is like really sticky. Ooh, I'm looking at it and there's like actually like a little crack right there, like a window. You're not going to be able to see that probably, but anyway, yeah, there is like a little bit missing. But anyway, so my point is, it's kind of sticky and I really don't like it. And then I noticed that the gloss is also bleeding into my lines around my lips. So I could pan this, but as I was using it in the last week and a half, I was thinking, why am I panning something I don't enjoy? I have so many lipsticks like literally going bad while I'm trying to use this thing I got for free. Long story short, I never loved this. I don't think I ever even really liked it. So I'm not sure how it made it through so many declutters. I just, yeah. God, I'm rambling. Anyway, my point is, I don't see the point in panning something, especially after the year that I've had. I've really just been chilling out. Like, I haven't bought any makeup really at all, like a couple of things, literally like 2 palettes probably. So I don't need to be a dragon and hoard this anymore. Like, it can go. I have a different attitude towards my collection right now. I have I've always said this, but like when it comes down to decluttering, I'm like, oh, I can't, you know? I'm gonna let this go. I'm done. I'm not gonna spend the year panning this and hating my life when I have like a whole, like all the melt lipsticks and like all the good MAC, you know, like I have good ones. So we're just gonna chuck this right here. It's out of here. So now to the point. I'm gonna go ahead and re-roll and get something that I want to pan. And I have this set up for 1 to 791 because it was 792, but now that is gone. So you can see there, hopefully 791. So I'm gonna spin. Ooh, 733, that's high. Ooh. 733 is, God, let me think. It might be a nail polish. It might be a nail polish, which I would love actually to pan a nail polish. So 733, let's check. Ooh, it might be a perfume. No. Oh. Oh. It is Butter London Ruby Murray. If I recall correctly, that is a red nail polish. I don't like red. Not really. Anyway, let me just check. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I was correct. It was like the first thing I grabbed out of the drawer too. but here it is. It is Butter London Ruby Murray. It is a red. I'm kind of a weirdo about nail polish. I will basically wear everything but pink or red. I don't know what's up with that. I think it's probably because like years ago, I was a 1940s style cigarette girl in the club, in all the clubs actually. And we had a very strict costume where you had to wear only things that were like circa 1940. So if you had like nail polish or lipstick, well, you actually did have them because they were pretty much required. So nail polish and lipstick all had to be red or pink, usually red because it was the color of that time, you know. So because I always had my nails painted those colors, mostly red, I think I just stopped wearing it ever. But anyway, I think I can get over that. We'll try. But this is a very vampy red, so I'm kind of into it. But let me see if you can see that. It's super dark. I don't know if you're seeing that. But yeah, it's really cool. It's actually literally all the way up here. So yeah, I'm going to be panning a vampy red nail polish for a long, long time. And there it is. I'm not going to wear this like every day. I'm not going to paint my nails red every time I paint my nails for eternity. But I am going to maybe try to do it like every other time or so, just so I can make some progress on this and not hate it. You know what I'm saying? But I have a ton of nail polish, so it's great that I pulled one because I need to get some of them out of here. Anyway, yeah. Ruby Murray by Butter London. I'm excited. Now I just have to go paint my nails. Okay, so I'm not going to show you guys anything else because there's really nothing to see. I promise. There is nothing to see as far as progress goes on my other products. Just know that I really am working on them. Like, I have used all of the lip products like several times, but I've really been working on my YSL lip balm. That one is easy because that's my lip balm. I always have it in my purse, which lately it's not in my purse, it's just in my pocket because I ain't going anywhere. Who am I kidding? I don't leave the house. But anyway, that one's easy. So I've been going through that. I am wearing the blush. I am wearing the eyeshadow today. I have worn them both a couple of times. What else? The lipstick, I'm wearing the Mandarino from MAC, the Powder Kiss. With a little bit of like highlighter tapped over, which I love. Oh, I have actually used all of the foundations. The powder one like twice, and the Stila one like 3 or 4 times. I actually really like that one. And the NYX Total Control drops, I've used that one like 3 times as well. So I am definitely getting use out of this stuff and I am enjoying this project. It's cool because like I didn't wear makeup for most of the year and I'm just tired of checking out, you know. I'm just like, when I get like depressed, I just check out, you know. So I just haven't been wearing makeup. I haven't bought makeup. I haven't really done much of anything. It's been kind of sad down here. So anyway, it's nice to have projects going again. It's really nice to have the motivation to actually put on makeup. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but I'm having fun. I don't have to go anywhere. I can just enjoy it by myself. It's fine. So that's been really nice. Anyway, I am really rambling today, but that's okay. We didn't really have much to do anyway, but yeah. So yeah, gonna pan this. That is everything for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. I do like talking to you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you would like to, do that. And yeah, I will see y'all later. Bye.